What are the consequences of a DUI in the Walnut Creek area? If you've been arrested for DUI in Walnut Creek, California, you may be facing serious consequences. The penalties for a DUI can include jail or prison time, fines, driver's license suspension, DUI school, probation, and more. The consequences can be more severe if there were any collisions or injuries involved, or if you have a previous offense. With multiple DUIs, you could face a jail sentence of 1 year or more. Looking for a DUI attorney in Walnut Creek, California? Attorney Derek R. Ewin has the experience and expertise to help you navigate the courts and DMV for the best possible outcome. Find answers to more of your questions about DUI charges in Walnut Creek by connecting with the team at the law office of Derek R. Ewin. Visit our website at www.drewinlaw.com for more information. We look forward to speaking with you.